In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to leave a review on Glossgenius. Whether you just had an appointment or want to share your experience, I'll guide you through the process. So, first, after your appointment, you will receive a receipt via text or email. This receipt includes a link to your transaction detail. Then click on this link and it will take you to your appointment summary. All right. So, and then once you are in the transaction page, you'll see an option to rate if your experience from 1 to 5 stars. It will look something like this. And you can also leave a text-based review to share more details about your experience. And once you're done, just click submit and your review will be sent. So in order to enable this, you can go to features and then settings, then select booking controls and notifications, then select client notifications and toggle on ask client to review. And on the web browser, the process are simple. Just follow these steps and this is how a client will see after the appointment and the name and the submit. Just a few things to keep in mind. The review link will only be included in your receipt if your checkout included a service. If you only purchased a product, their review link won't be there. And if Google reviews are enabled for that business, your feedback will go to their Google profile instead of Glossgenius. And that's it. Leaving a review is super easy and helps business grow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.